The purpose of this lesson is to show you how to create the right logo for your fitness business and show you some personal trainer logo ideas. You'll find out which elements can help you to make your logo stand out the most. Plus you'll learn about the different ways that you can create your brand new fitness logo. The first step is to understand the different logo types. As a personal trainer, you'll be keen to build your brand and start attracting new clients as soon as possible. All businesses, regardless of their size and what they do, have a logo. But the one thing that truly sets apart successful enterprises is their branding. The idea of a logo is just to offer a visual representation of who you are and what you do. This doesn't mean that you need a dumbbell or the silhouette of a male body. It means that you need something that is just easily recognisable and different to your competition. Now there are essentially three types of logo. You've got text and graphic, and abstract. Now regarding text logos, people usually think that only graphic logos are memorable, but there are plenty of well-known text logo examples that everyone knows, including Coca-Cola. Well, the secret is down to the creative use of typography. A text logo is ideal for you if you have no way to depict what your business does with an icon. Now when looking at text and graphic logos, they combine graphics and text as you would expect from a typical logo. The twist here is that they literally illustrate what the company is about. One prime example is the Dove toiletries brand. Their logo consists of the word Dove with an illustration of a dove underneath. A text and graphic logo is ideal for you if you need a way to make text logo more official. Finally, you have abstract graphic logos. One relevant example is the Nike logo. Everybody knows them famous swooshes and it's Nike's branding. Brands usually have to spend a lot of time and money to make abstract graphic logos memorable. So if you're setting up a new personal trainer business, the first two types are much more appropriate. Now the second step is logo research. Now that you know the different types of logos that you can create, we move on to the research phase. In a nutshell, this is where you think about the message that you wish your logo to deliver. Now, the problem that some personal trainers have is that they're unsure what their logo should convey. Others might not be confident that the message that they're broadcasting is the right one. Now, my advice is don't overthink it. What you do with your logo and brand is way more important than how it looks, provided it's not really ugly, of course. Take the time to see what logo your immediate competitors are using. Can you find any reoccurring themes with their logos? For example, do they use like simple designs and pastel colours, or do they opt for something a bit more complex in each design? Now guys, the third step is choosing colours. There is an almost limitless choice of colours that personal trainers can use for their logo. The only real trouble is that the more colours that you have in your logo, the higher the cost. If you're only going to advertise online, it doesn't really matter what colours you use, but all fitness brands market themselves offline as well. Printing costs can just soar up if you're going to use 5 or more colours in your logo. Don't forget that you'll also need business cards and flyers printed out. Notice how all the most popular brands in the image use only 1 or 2 colours. Now the fourth step is you could do DIY logo design. By now you'll have got the research and draft designs of your new logo sorted out. Now is the time to start working on the finished product. Thanks to modern technology, you can actually use software on your computer or you can do it online. Some of our favourite softwares include Canva.com, DesignMantic.com and Designamo.com. Now the fifth step is to hire a designer. If you personally can't get the effect that you are looking for with your new logo, all hope is not lost. Another option is to hire a graphic designer. In a nutshell, you pay a creative expert to transform your idea into an eye-catching design. The way that the process usually works is simple. First of all, you research some graphic designers until you find one whose style you like. Sites like Upwork and Fiverr, they're just full of graphic designers. The next step is you provide them with a detailed explanation of what you want. This is called the design brief. You both agree on a time frame and a price to create the logo, and then they get started. During the process, they will share with you some draft designs, and you can then ask them to tweak the logo until it is to your satisfaction. As you can imagine, hiring a designer is ideal if you know what you want. What's more, it's an attractive option because freelancers don't usually charge a fortune.